Hey guys, it's your girl Jay's mom and I'm back with another video. So guys, today I'm gonna do my foundation along with my eyebrows because we're gonna take this step by step. So at first I did the whole tutorial and then I did the eyebrows and then now I'm gonna do my eyebrows and foundation together. Then on another video, then I'll do my eyebrows, foundation, and eyeshadow. Okay, so we're gonna just take everything step by step right now, so you guys can see how I do my makeup. And even if you want to learn, you can pick up from what I show you guys. So let's get into the video. So guys, I'm taking this spoolie brush and I'm brushing out my brows so they can be smooth, and also so I can give them the shape I want them to be. Now I'm gonna draw on my brows with an eyebrow pencil, and it's in the color medium brown. You can use brow pomade, but I don't have any right now, but I usually use brow pomade. You can also brush them how dark and how light you want them. People are different, so they do dark brown. I like mine light brown. When I shade them in, I really brush them out. And I'm doing my next eyebrows for you guys. I'm just trying to line my brows, line my eyes up and get the shape I want for these brows so I can slay them. I'm going back and forth because my eyebrows are very different. Like, my eyebrows are really funny. They'll be like different shapes at every time I do my makeup. That's why I don't have a specific type of shape that I do my eyebrows as yet, because I shape up my eyebrows. So every time I shape my eyebrows, they end up with another shape. So now I'm taking this Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, in the color Fawn, my bad. And I'm going to use this concealer brush that I got from Dollar Tree, like I said, and I'm gonna conceal my brows. And as I conceal my brows, I'm gonna line them up, make sure everything is straight, to give it a straight line. Yeah, the shape, and also to give it that shape that I want it to be. So the concealer helps to define your eyebrows. And I'm brushing that out. So here I'm gonna do the other eyebrow, and I'm gonna do the same as I did on the other side, as well as brushing it out. Hopefully this video give you guys a tip on how to do your makeup. Yes, your makeup. Because it's very simple and easy. Now I'm doing the top. I'm defining the top so it can be straight. Some people usually don't do their top, and some people actually uses their foundation to do their top on top of their brows. But I like my concealer, you know. And I'm brushing that out as well. So when I put on my foundation, it won't be too cakey, it won't be too white. Yeah, so you would want to brush that brow out. I mean that concealer out. And I'm brushing that out again with the spoolie. So I can erase some of the darkness. Sorry. So now I'm doing the other side just like I did on the first side on top of my brows. The reason I didn't use my concealer brush is because it was really, I really wanted all the concealer to come out, and I just felt like throwing it on my eyebrows and to hurry up, get it over with on that part. So I'm just brushing it out. The unibrow I brushed that out for you guys to see. And it helps when I do the unibrow. It helps to give you that shape and know that your shape of your eyebrows is right. And I'm using my foundation from MAC, and it's empty. And I'm priming my face as well. And I'm brushing that primer out before I use that MAC foundation. So I prime my face. Now I'm using the foundation on my face. You know, I got nothing in that, so that's how I had to put it on. Don't judge me, guys. And I'm brushing that foundation out to the best of my ability so that it won't be white and it also won't be cakey, because you want to have a smooth foundation look, because this look is just foundation and concealer, so you want everything to be blending and look soft.
The one way dash of the sniper.
So I'm using that foundation brush to get every edge I could get, even under my eye and under my eyebrows. So now I'm using this wider brush so I can really blend everything out now. Even under my chin and all of that good stuff. I'm gonna be blending.
Oh, I was gonna put him. You want to get some headshot? I was gonna put him down where I ain't gonna lie.
So now, guys, I'm taking that L'Oreal True Match in the color Warm, and I'm gonna soften my face, also set my face, meaning with this, so that my concealer could be set. And when I want to take pics, you know, it could be nice and soft. And I think using a setting your face is the best thing to do when you're doing foundation or even highlight and contouring. So guys, now I'm doing my lips. Although this is not a part of the plan, but I did my lips, so, you know, to call this also a go-to look. And I'm just using a random beauty store lipstick, but it's matted, so. And this is my favorite lip style. This natural lip is my favorite, my go-to. Oh no, I really love it. so I'm just showing you guys the finished look. Thank you. So guys, this is my finished look. It looks like I have on a full face, guys, but I don't. This look could be, it's just the foundation and the concealer, like I said in the beginning of the video. But if you don't want a full face, you could actually do this look, follow this look by doing it as a go-to look, because you don't really have on much. You just have on foundation, concealer, you draw your eyebrows. You notice I didn't do any mascara or anything like that, but you guys could do it. You guys could do liner and all of that good stuff as well. But I only am on my setting powder and all of that stuff, and this is my final look. So you know, so I hope you guys also follow these steps to get this beautiful look. So you guys follow these steps and continue to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Do those 3 things for me, and I'll be back with more videos.